Hey everyone, do you feel like you're drowning in apps, jumping between Gmail, Slack, Notion, and 100 other tools every single day? You're not alone. The average person switches between windows over 1,200 times daily. That's exhausting. That's where Bhindi AI comes in. Bhindi is an AI platform that does one thing really well. It turns what you say into actual actions across over 300 different apps and services. Think of it as your personal AI assistant that lives in one place and handles everything for you. Instead of jumping between apps, you just tell Bhindi what you want and it does it. You don't have to keep asking. You set it once and it keeps working in the background. Here is what makes Bhindi special. For crypto investors, it automatically tracks your portfolio changes on Coin, DCX, and sends you smart alerts right to your Gmail when prices move. For developers, it reviews your GitHub code, spots bugs, and gives you suggestions without you having to ask each time. It also works with fintech platforms so you can place trades or check prices just by chatting with it. The platform has over 300 different agents, which means it can connect to basically anything you use daily. It learned from user patterns and has handled over 333,000 messages and 52,000 agent executions so far. Bhindi just raised $4 million in funding from serious investors like Cyberfund. The company already has over 5,000 users, mostly in India and the United States. That's real traction for a brand new platform. The biggest win here is saving you time and mental energy. Instead of dealing with app fatigue, you get an actual working AI that handles boring, repetitive stuff. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. If you're tired of app overload and want to get stuff done faster, Bhindi is worth checking out. Go to bhindi.io to try it. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it out or what you think. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.